Hi guys, good morning.
Hi everyone.
And Karishma, a lot of people liked your cooking for the birthday.
Oh, is it okay?
Yeah, they were like, Karishma's a great cook, and yeah, so she is a great cook, and that's why my size is what I have an issue with. But they liked all your Indian cooking.
Simple food, guys.
Yeah.
Super simple.
So Karishma has a request for our channel, and obviously I checked the analytics. The views are amazing. The subscribers too. We are nearly 6,000 now.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so 6,000 is a big amount for my kind of YouTube setup, and I am officially on the road to 10K now.
That
So
sounds awesome.
hashtag road to 10K. But we are going out for our day trip, and you will see some of that. Obviously, we'll post a video Sunday morning your time in India, and basically we had one request, and Karishma is going to explain exactly what.
Yeah, I know, like Ryan mentioned, a lot of you have been watching his videos, so thank you for that. But like he mentioned, our analytics show that there is a big chunk of you who enjoy his videos, enjoy his vlogs, view them, but are not really subscribing. So I think it would be great, and we would love it, and it's a small request. If you're enjoying the content Ryan's putting over, which I'm sure you do, just hit subscribe and follow the channel.
Wow, so that was one take. Thanks, Karishma. Wow. Okay, great. So yes, a lot of you watch but have not subscribed, so please do so. Anyways, we are hitting the road, so camera off now. So there's some scenic overlook that we are walking up to, trekking up to. So all these trails were closed during COVID, but now I guess everything is coming back to normal existence. There's no crowds here, so why should we worry about COVID, right? We are in the wilderness. Ivanka, can you hear the birds chirping? So we were walking there and we've come up. This is kind of adventurous.
Show me what we got in love. Girl, give me a reason. Even when it ain't enough. Hold me and believe it. Show me what we got in love. In love. Show me what we got in love.
There's so many birds over here, but we haven't spotted any. They are way up in the trees. Let's look how high the trees are. So you can tweet this location, Flat Rock. Oh, Montreal is 356. So if you go that way, Canada is 356. Washington DC is 235 this way. That's where we are, exactly. And we are just 1 mile from our house. So we were on the red trail, and now we are going on to the purple trail. So these markers will show you how to follow the new trail. So now a little down slope here, but we are going to try that. Ivanka, are you ready? Okay, Ivanka is ready, Karishma is ready. This is the same red trail we were on, but we wanted to try something new. So let's go.
And the other cool thing about these trail markers are that the 3 trail markers, they actually signify the start of the trail. And then if you got 2, pointing to this side, then you can turn right and left. So the trail markers also have a little bit of a message encoded in them. Which is
And every park has this map. Show me the map, Karishma. So this is a small park, and obviously we are doing the red now and moving to the purple, but all the trails are very designated here. No one can get lost. All the literatures here. So it's quite organized, but at the same time you get to enjoy the outdoors without any risk. And Ivanka's way ahead exploring. So before you guys ask where Darren is, of course Darren Saturday has his soccer and he's also doing gym, so he has a very busy day. And he's meeting his friend also, who you saw at my birthday party. I don't want to say anything else.
Show me what we got in love. In love. Show me what we got in. You said it all the time.
I'm very sure there are a lot of snakes over here. So mom, if you're watching, my mom is petrified of snakes. If I see a snake, I'm going to show it just for my mom. Sun is out. Yeah, so we are sure we are not lost because the purple trail markers are on the tree here. This makes some great exercise as well. That's why I like coming out on Saturday and usually Sundays biking. So this tree here has fallen, and these are the roots, and it's pretty huge actually. The whole tree has fallen. Manka, do you want to sit there? Try walking. Mama will hold your hand. You want to walk on the tree? So this is about a 30-foot tree for sure, 30 to 40 feet high. This is all the top of the tree. It's obviously good wood. It's a dead tree anyways, so I'm sure someone will come and take the wood out of it.
Time, you never like that. Put it in the trunk and never write back. Got my shit like it's tighter than facts. Keep my shit light. Ay, ay, oh. Teeth on my brain, you like to put it up. Shawty came through, she like a big nut. On a nice face, I call her baby face. That shit was R&B, don't forget the bass. Yeah, shawty like the way I talk.
Blue and purple trail together, so they cross paths. Guys, let me know in the comments if these treks are boring, then I may not make many of these. But I just thought in India you don't see much of these kind of organized treks, and now we are climbing up slope, so it's getting tiring.
You want to go first? You can go first at the steps. Or you want me to go up?
Lot of hilly climbs here, up and down, so you got to watch that you don't slip and fall, because if you slip and fall you can sprain your leg very badly. So we are being very careful. It's like a stair here, but because of the rains these past 2 days, I think 3 days this week, we've had heavy rains. If you all saw the road trip Ashish and I did, you saw how much rain there was. So it's pretty slippery at times. But today is no rain, so that's why we are here. The good part of trail walking is even if you do 2,000 to 3,000 steps, it is so strenuous. It's actually like walking 10,000 steps at a road or a regular flat ground, because we've just been going up and down climbing. It's not like rock climbing, it's not as difficult, but trail walking has so much of uneven ground that you have to keep maneuvering, and you have to ensure you don't sprain your legs and just keep walking, you know. So even if you do 4,000 steps, trust me, you'll burn more calories than you would in a gym for 2 hours, I'm quite sure. So Ivanka is leading the way as always. Karishma's second and I'm trailing behind. And that's why I like the GoPro, because it's so easy to do these activities while taking a GoPro along. There will be some quality or sound quality issues compared to the Canon, but then at least the content is coming out.
Like the way I sing, the way I fall. Yeah, shawty like a piece of chalk. Before I ride, I like to break her off. Shit is like an easy flow. That habanero spicy magnum flow. Coming straight out the bungalow. I keep my shit on the bungalow. Girl, give me a reason.
So whenever we see people, we wear the mask just to be careful. Otherwise, we mostly remove the mask. There's a lake down there. Ivanka, look. It's a beautiful small river lake kind of thing there.
Girl, give me a reason. Even when it ain't enough.
Wow, it's so sweet. And then this is the actual flat rock brook.
So we did a lot of the trail and we are planning to do one more trail, the orange trail. We finished the red and the blue, I think, or red and purple. And now we are convincing Ivanka to do the orange trail because she's feeling a little tired. So let's see. This small pond here has so many frogs. I don't know if you guys will see it on the GoPro. At least 3 frogs we've spotted. They're camouflaged into the water, so it's very difficult. I think that's a crocodile, Ivanka. Can you see it popping out?
There's a turtle over there.
Yeah, and there's a turtle over there.
Some turtle as well over there. So yeah.
I'm believing. Show me what we got in love. Girl, give me a reason. Even when it ain't enough. Only believing.
Stick.
You sure? Don't know. Where is it?
Coming out of this water, and behind that, almost an arm length behind it, is the green frog looking at us. Just you just see his face.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Can you see a small tree at the end of it? A small plant at the end of the long tree?
Yeah.
Then you see another big plant at the end of it also.
Show me what we got in love. In love. Show me what we got in love. In love. Show me what we got in.
Okay guys, we are done with our trek, about an hour and a half I think. Very slow pace, but we're going to close the vlog here and we'll see you on the next one. Please like, share, subscribe. We're a little tired and getting back home just in time for lunch. Alright guys, have a lovely weekend. Take care. Bye.
I'm torn up like some pieces of the paper. Don't burn up in the morning, let it taper. Inhale and let it out like reservations. Exhale.